We at Danish Food Cluster has just held our second annual meeting, A Great Day for Food Innovation, with focus on food innovation through the whole food sector. We had invited Mark Post from the Maastricht University to tell us a little bit about his research in vitro meat.
In vitro meat is basically culturing meat from stem cells taken from a cow. It's a very simple method. You take a few stem cells from a cow, from its muscle, you let them proliferate. They do that inside of the cow to repair muscle, but you can also do that outside of the cow. Then once they have proliferated, you can make tissues out of it, and basically the tissue that they make is muscle, which is the basis for meat. So we let those cells do their work, let them make the meat outside of the cow, in aiming to reduce the number of resources that we need to produce that same amount of beef, and thereby providing sufficient beef without the negative consequences for food security and environment.
What is the future for this?
I think the future is sort of really to replace the livestock beef industry as we know it right now, and maybe not only beef but also other meats, with cultured beef or cultured meats, really to avoid all the negative consequences of the increased demand for meat globally.
How far are we on this technology?
I think it's going to be a gradual transition, but I think in 4 or 5 years we have the first products on the market. They will be still relatively expensive, but with increasing improvements in the technology, in the 3-4 years after that it will become a real consumer product that you could buy in the supermarket.
And it will not only be beef, could also be made of lamb or pig or whatever kind of meat?
Yeah, every animal that has this muscle-specific stem cells in its muscle, be it fish, birds, all mammals, that can all be used to produce meat from these animals in this way.